Congrats, Tita Lai and Tito Allen. God bless you. I can't believe that Tito Allen is officially my Tito. And again, congrats. God bless you. And I'll see you soon.
Congratulations on your wedding, Tita Lai and Tito Allen. I hope you have fun, and I know that you're meant to be together, and I know that you're gonna raise a good family. We miss you. We love you. We're gonna see you soon. Bye. And again, congratulations.
Say bye.
Best wishes.
Best wishes.
Best wishes. Say best wishes.
Wishes.
Say bye.
Miss you.
Say God
Dad,
bless you.
Bless you.
bless you. Yay! Say congratulations. Have fun. Bye. See you soon.
Okay.
Beautiful eyes now, baby. And kiss.
Beautiful eyes.
Mwah.
No, that's not your beautiful
Mwah.
eyes. Oh, thank you.
Look here. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.